Today we are making an epic history world map through a collaboration with Cannon's Fire. His channel covers the Napoleonic Wars, so if that interests you, definitely check him out.
Hi, this is how I make maps and battle maps like Epic History and History March. First you need a map. You can download this map, link will be in the description. Then make new composition in After Effects and put your picture in your timeline. I download the better version, 8000 by 4000. Now we're gonna stretch this image so it looks better. Just like this. Like this. Now we need to remove this ocean. How are we gonna do that? Go to Effects and Presets panel and type, I'm gonna do this here, type color key. Then select this and select the color you want to remove from this picture, like this. And go to color tolerance and drag this arrow where you feel like your color disappeared. And do this for every color that you see. Just like this. Just like this. When you did that, we now need to make our own ocean. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go here, right click, go to new and go to solid. Then pick your color here. I want this color. Click OK. And put your color behind your map, of course. Now we need to put some life into this, some texture onto the ocean. You can download this in Texture Lab. I download the paper texture like this. And go to opacity here and put maybe 15%. Just like this. And now we need to color this map. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna go here and duplicate this map. First map we're gonna rename to map 1 and this to base white. So now click this base white one and click pen tool. Now we need to select every part of this map just like this. And go to Effects and Presets panel, click there, go to Effects and Presets panel and type Fill. Just like this. We now need to change the color to white and put here opacity to 60%. Just like this. Or even more. Like this. And now how to color the countries. I'm gonna show you. Go to Map and duplicate this map 1. We're gonna rename this to British. Go to pen tool and select the country you want to change the color like this and go to there and go to Effects and Presets panel and type again Fill. You can change the color. I'm gonna put red and put 70%, just like this. You can do this for every other country. It's exactly the same. Just select. You can go by hand. I usually go by hand, but you can download the picture and go over the picture and you will get the results you want. Again, fill. Put your color, your opacity, just like this. You can do it better. I just did this for video. Now we're gonna name our country. I'm gonna select this. Lower it here. Now we're gonna put some shadow behind this map. We're gonna do that. Go to your map 1 and go to Effects and Presets panel and put drop shadow. Put distance to 0 and softness to something like 50. You can change this to 30% or less, so it looks some more appealing like this. Now it's up to you what you want to do with this map. I'm gonna do my map and show you the result. As you can see, I did my map. I put every country, their color, their name, capital, city, even rivers, even borders on every country, as you can see. And that's it. It's up to you what you want to do with this. It's really simple. You can copy channels like Epic History, History March, or whatever you like. It's up to you. That's it for this map.